Alright guys, this is the glass elevator here at Navy Pier in Chicago.
I can take it.
But I got you.
Yes.
Oh shit. You alright?
Yeah. Ooh, this is nice. Come on in.
Oh, you guys want to come in?
Yeah, we'll come in.
Okay.
Let's go too.
Very slow. Hydraulic.
This was from, I think, Schindler? Yeah, there used to be automatic doors up over here, but I guess they got rid of them.
Yeah, they did.
Yeah, this was in here before.
This thing?
Yeah, it's always been there.
Swear.
You got it, Jay?
Yep.
I'll hold that door for you, okay?
Okay.
I don't want you to get stuck like... Because sometimes these doors could be a piece of the...
We know.
Yeah, you know. Yeah, this was in here before. I swear.
Alright.
The thing is cool.
There it goes.
And I guess that is going to be it for me. This is the other glass elevator here in Navy Pier in Chicago.
I'll get the door for you.
I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, let me turn myself around there. I don't like to put the pan right here.
Yeah, I know, me too.
So annoying.
Pain in my butt. I got the door closed for you. Oh, shit! Scared the heck out of me. Oh. There we go. I'll get the one for you. You want me to do it?
Yeah.
I got you. No problem. So you don't have to reach. So.
Yeah.
Beautiful view of Chicago, though.
I love the Chicago.
Yeah.
I mean, this is a city. Beautiful city.
Yep.
Got a Ferris wheel.
And here we go down.
There we go, going down.
It's a nice one. Similar to the other one.
It does looks different, but looks good.
Looks different.
There we go. A little bit. Watch out, might be
Real
real
one again.
Okay, make sure it doesn't get rubber. That's it.
Yep.
Unless it,
There goes the elevator.
there it goes.
And I guess that is going to be it for me.